vachihopu munovaziva here?
Hongu tinovaziva.
Mutungamiriri vape ikodzero dzavo.
Hongu tinovapa.
Nevamwe vavo vavanobata navo.
Hongu tinovapa. Tinotenda rudo rwenyu ramunotipa isu sevana venyu. Vana venyu tinotenda rudo rwenyu ramunotipa isu sevana venyu. Vana venyu tinotenda.
Vakomana chimwe nechimwe chine nguva yacho, inoyi nguva yeminana yaJehovha. Naizivei tirokorere nyasha ratichaona kakugwinya kwaMwari. Chimwe nechimwe hama chine nguva yacho, inoyi nguva yeminana yaJehovha. Naizivei tirokorere nyasha ratichaona kakugwinya kwaMwari. Tenda kuona kakugwinya kwa,
tendai muone kakugwinya kwaShewedu. Mwari vekudenga Jehova Ebeneza vakisisa mukore nesununguro yedu isutopinda kena. Tendai muone kakugwinya kwaShewedu. Mwari vekudenga Jehova Ebeneza vakisisa mukore nesununguro yedu isutopinda kena. Tendai muone kakugwinya kwaShewedu. Mwari vekudenga Jehova Ebeneza vakisisa mukore nesununguro yedu.
Uchakamirire kunguva zvayatokwana iwama yangu wakabatei isiva chatungamira masikati negore iwo madekwana somwe yapoto ngwa dzokuzarara zaruka tipinde tiende kana iri nzara todya mana murenje kana iri mvura tomwa yepadongo tenda ukoona kakugwinya kwa.
Tendai muone kakugwinya kwaShewedu. Mwari vekudenga Jehova Ebeneza vakisisa mukore nesununguro yedu isutopinda kena. Tendai muone kakugwinya kwaShewedu. Mwari vekudenga Jehova Ebeneza vakisisa mukore nesununguro yedu isutopinda kena. Tendai muone kakugwinya kwaShewedu. Mwari vekudenga Jehova Ebeneza vakisisa mukore nesununguro yedu isutopinda kena.
Waita kuda kwedu kara muIjipiti zvinozvakaitwa namadzibaba edu ndivo vakazhambaza mbiringa paya vanatowadzira totongwa neu ndicho tiri chadhamna Evha here takadiparira tiri kufamba sei ndiko here kumira paro pasi aunde chakaoma ndise chizuva katikana ukatenda uchaona kakugwinya kwaMwari newewo tenda kuti varegererwa aunde tiende tikagoona kakugwinya kwa.
Tendai muone kakugwinya kwaShewedu. Mwari vekudenga Jehova Ebeneza vakisisa mukore nesununguro yedu isutopinda kena. Tendai muone kakugwinya kwaShewedu. Mwari vekudenga Jehova Ebeneza vakisisa mukore nesununguro yedu isutopinda kena. Tendai muone kakugwinya kwaShewedu.
Asi ndandauza kuti vateni kusvika nguva dzamakareva dzamakanyora
nguva dzamukareva
handititenda
Good afternoon, Honorable Minister Sen. Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Service Quarter Guard, mounted by officers at Harare Central Prison Complex, composed of 1 guard commander, 1 big ramen, 1 guard 2IC, and 6 sentries, a total of 9, all formed up in a single range, ready for inspection time. Thank you for the inspection. Permission to dismiss Quarter Guard, Honorable Minister Sen. Quarter Guard, dismiss! Stop! 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 Stop!
Maspishe tsauro tamkatu.
Mama me exam.
Nafsa takwa kwa uzo kata mari. Alright. Awaso bari there. Awano tulitano.
Pozi. Ngoja wa surprise. Baada ya basi chabaranga.
Kama anotora mpikicha ndimutogore inform yakanaka ndobata togoya tembeni pakanaka yakanaka ke.
So you see, we now have winter.
Winter.
It's
Summer kai.
summer
way. Yeah.
Summer.
When your man travels, no winter.
It's never short. You summer. So we thought it's good for our in-laws to have my trousers than my shorts, especially kind of chitozo. So I think
Thank you very much, Commissioner General Chiwovu. I want to acknowledge you as well as your deputies, Deputy Commissioner Mpofu, Mary, Deputy Commissioner Ranga, Musango, and I also want to acknowledge the host, Commissioner Marange, and all officer commanding provinces and commissioners here, other senior officers in charge of stations here present. I can see we have the media practitioners, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's that you don't want to have a prepared speech. It betrays your emotion. When we have walked a long journey, you know, in 2013, we came up with a new constitution that gave birth to prisons and correctional services. So we moved away from the format that we used to have, and we now have a strong emphasis on the correctional aspect and the reintegration aspect. And as such, we wanted our officers also to be transformed and have that mindset to say that this is the direction that we are taking going forward. We then realized that our officers were incapacitated in terms of transportation. You know, for you to carry out your duties well, you need to be mobile, be able to transport prisoners. The officers themselves, they need to be mobile to go to work, to do whatever they can. So I want to thank Commissioner General Chihovu. I remember the last 2 years it was him and the late Commissioner General Zimondi. We used to make a lot of noise to say that we need vehicles for our prisons and correctional services. You know, it's one of the security sector departments. After we have the police, the army, the CIO, and then prisons. And we said we need to have it fully operational in terms of transportation. It is very critical to the security and also defense of the nation. And we are very pleased today that His Excellency, being the former Minister of Justice, it was very easy to talk to him about our plight. And he said, okay, I will talk to the Minister of Finance. He is going to get back to you, and he was going to do something. He immediately said, okay, I will ask the Minister of Local Government. He is in charge of ZUPCO, to ensure that when buses come, he also will give you some, so that you are also capacitated. And so today is a very joyous occasion. The President did our call. We have the lorries there. I saw buses there. Some have already been dispatched, I'm told. We have operational vehicles and some conditions of service vehicles, which are also critical to our function. And when he said, Honorable Minister, we do not want to dispatch them. We want to showcase what His Excellency has done. Can we do this function? I immediately said yes, because I knew that we needed to do this function and thank His Excellency for what he has done. So with those remarks, I want to thank all of you and thank His Excellency, the Minister of Finance, for supporting our cause. And we will continue. I promised him to go back and say, Your Excellency, we are happy. We had a handover function, but we still want some more. So we'll do that so that at least we can operate at a level that ensure that our officers will not be found wanting. But right now we would say, why didn't you do this? They said, there's no transport minister. And you immediately keep quiet. I want to get to the stage where I want to keep quiet. I will say, but you have the vehicles and you have this, and then we do that. But Commissioner will work on ensuring that this fleet is well maintained, and we have our workshops capacitated to ensure that the lifespan of these vehicles is reasonable and it will be extended. So I want to thank all of you, Commissioner General, your deputies, the officers commanding our provinces, everyone here, the media fraternity, for this joyous occasion. Like I said, I told my team that I don't want a prepared speech. You are going to lie to me. Let me just say it from the heart. It's better that way. So I thank you very much, and I think we can now do the formal proceedings officially is going to assist me. He's coming here to assist me or I do it. Another one is the end. I'm very rich and I know I can fit. Oh, Saka in there, Pupi. Oh, I'm officially
Vachihofu muno vaziva here
Wangu tinowaziva
Tungamiriri vape ikodzero dzavo
Wangu tinowapa
nevamwe vavo vavanobata navo
Wangu tinowapa Tinotenda Rudo rwenyu ramunotipa Isu sevana venyu Tinotenda Rudo rwenyu ramunotipa Isu sevana venyu tinotenda
vakomana chimwe nechimwe chine nguva yacho inoi nguva yeminana yaJehovha ngaizivei tirokorere nyasha ngatichaona kakugwinya kwaMwari chimwe nachimwe hama chine nguva yacho inoi nguva yeminana yaJehovha ngaizivei tirokorere nyasha ngatichaona kakugwinya kwaMwari tendakuona kakugwinya kwa
Tendai muone kakugwinya kwa chewedu Mwari wekudenga Jehova yependeza Vakisisa mukore Yesununguro yedu Isutopinda kena Tendai muone kakugwinya kwa chewedu Mwari wekudenga Jehova yependeza Vakisisa mukore Yesununguro yedu Isutopinda kena Tendai muone kakugwinya kwa chewedu Mwari wekudenga Jehova yependeza Vakisisa mukore
Pita ya Bwana Torano yako hiyo kushoreke Utakamirire kunguwa saya tokana Iwama yangu mpaka batei Nisema chatungamira maskati nekore Iwa madekwana sombo ya moto Mungu atukuzarara saruka Tipinde, tiende Kana iri nzara toka mana murende Kana iri mpura tomwa yepa dongo Tenda ukowona kakupinja kwa
Tendai muone kakupinja kwa chewedu Mwari wekudenga Jehova yependeza Vakisisa mukore Yesununguro yedu Isutopinda kena Tendai muone kakupinja kwa chewedu Mwari wekudenga Jehova yependeza Vakisisa mukore Yesununguro yedu Isutopinda kena Tendai muone kakupinja kwa chewedu Mwari wekudenga Jehova yependeza Vakisisa mukore Yesununguro yedu Isutopinda kena
Waita kuda kwedu karamu yitipinda Tunuzakaitwa na mazi baba yedu Tivo wakanja maza mbiringa paya Wanato wazira totumba leo Tito tirita damna ema ere Takadi parira tiri kupamba se Tiko ere mira mara pase Aunde Kalaoma Dise Jesu wakatikele ukatenda Utaona kakupanya kwa Mwari Niwe watenda kuti walekerewa Aunde Tiende Tikakuona kakupanya kwa
Tendai muone kakupinja kwa chewedu Mwari wekudenga Jehova yependeza Vakisisa mukore Yesununguro yedu Isutopinda kena Tendai muone kakupinja kwa chewedu Mwari wekudenga Jehova yependeza Vakisisa mukore Yesununguro yedu Isutopinda kena